Hello guys, welcome back to WordPress W3 School. Classic Editor is an official plugin maintained by the WordPress team that restores the previous, classic, WordPress editor and the Edit Post screen. It makes it possible to use plugins that extend that screen, add old-style meta boxes, or otherwise depend on the previous editor. Classic Editor is an official WordPress plugin and will be fully supported and maintained until 2024 or as long as it's necessary. Yoast SEO plugin free install and activate.